kings and queens, what's going on, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and the notifications bell. That'll let you guys know whenever I post a new video. So my life is just so chaotic right now. I am not the one to be like, okay, I'm gonna post on this day or this day or this many times a week. I have twins, I'm starting a business. I am just super duper busy right now, and I don't have a planned schedule. So if you push on that notification bell, you will get the updates as I'm able to make videos. So this is my 5-month lock update. I literally just retwisted my locks, and y'all do not know how to act. It just feels so good to retwist your hair and see parts. I'm a stickler for parts, always have been, and the fact that my hair looks like this at 5 months just amazes me. It's crazy. I do have C-shaped parts, and that I did that because I wanted to give my hair an appearance of thickness. With my other set, I did not have that thick appearance look until I combined them. So instead of me having to combine them later on, I am doing a few things to make sure that I get the thick locks that I want. First thing is to not retwist that often. I am only retwisting once a month, and I'm actually going to extend that time. I want to say around 6-7 months, and yes, everyone is different, but usually around 6-7 months, that's when you really start to notice your locks expanding, and I want to help that expansion out. So instead of retwisting once a month, I'm going to extend that to every 6 weeks. So my next update won't be until like 6.5 months or 7 months, and I will let you guys know how I'm doing on that and update you guys. But I'm trying to extend that so that way my locks can continue to swell, continue to bulk up and get thicker, and that I don't mess up the locking phase. And then the other thing I'm doing to make sure that my locks stay thick is also by the C-shaped parting that I have. Like I mentioned, the C-shaped parting is what's helping me get the appearance of thicker locks, even though my hair is not very thick. So when I retwisted my locks this time, I actually used the comb. You can use the comb or you can palm roll. So I got it done with the comb, and then for the last 4 months I've just been retwisting, just palm rolling. I noticed though, like every so often, if you're maintaining your own locks, you might find yourself having to go back with the comb, because the comb is what keeps the integrity of the shape of your hair. When you comb coil, you are literally taking the hair, pulling it down, and you're creating a real coil. When you create that coil, that's keeping your hair tighter together for longer periods of time versus you taking your hair, mushing it together and palm rolling. That's just squeezing and twisting. That is going to unravel like faster than comb coils does. That's why I feel like most people, when they say their hair only lasts a week or lasts a couple days, it's probably because of comb coils. And if you're not using a product, not comb coils, but because of palm rolling, and if you're not using products that is going to help it stay together, it's not going to last as long. So because I'm extending my my retwist to 6 weeks, I am using the My Joy gel versus my flaxseed gel. So my flaxseed gel, my DIY flaxseed gel, or my DIY flaxseed and chia seed gel, it is all natural. It works great, give your hair a lot of shine, but the hold is not as strong as the My Joy gel. So the My Joy gel is really a pomade. If y'all can see that consistency right there, it's a pomade, but I think calling it a pomade would kind of turn people off. But it holds very well, and it's all natural. And this is what I use when I want my hair to hold, or if I don't have the flaxseed gel on hand, because I don't mind my hair not lasting that long. When you live an active lifestyle, there's nothing you can do to your hair, no amount of product you can put on it that's going to make it last long anyway. So that's what I use this time. As far as shampoo, I am still using the hemp peppermint castile soap. A little bit goes a long way. My husband and I both use this. I've had this bottle for a few months, and look how much I have. So it lasts a long time. And then for the conditioner, I am a conditioner user. I've always been a conditioner user, even with my first set, and I've been using conditioner pretty much since the beginning of my lock journey, of this new lock journey. This one I really like because it has mint in it, and it stimulates your locks. You can feel the stimulating sensation on your scalp. You can feel your pores kind of open up, and you can tell that it's like doing what it's supposed to do, which is stimulating your scalp. So after I washed my hair, I followed up with the spray. I usually use rose water, but because of some products that I recommended, I think it was called 8 products that you could try on your locks for hydration and moisturization. I'm actually doing a review on some products, and instead of the rose water, I decided to use the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner, and this is what I use to keep my hair kind of misted, just a little bit damp, as I'm retwisting my hair. So as it dries out, I don't like to retwist on dry hair, so I use that, and then I apply the My Joy gel in my hair, and as my hair dried out, I'll apply a little bit more of the spray and then top that off with the gel. And for the oil on my scalp, just another blend that I have laying around the house. This one I think has flaxseed oil as the base. You guys were asking me, when it comes to my oil blends, what is my base? I do not have a set base. Sometimes it's flaxseed oil, sometimes it's olive oil, sometimes it's grapeseed oil. It can be anything. It really just depends on what I have on hand. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm going to be going 6 weeks. I'm trying my best to go 6 weeks. After about 4 weeks, I'm just like so ready to retwist my hair. But I feel like I can go another 2 weeks to make sure that my hair is not manipulated, and that it expands a little bit more. Like by year 1, I want my hair to be like a little mane. You know what I'm saying? I want it to be full. So that's what I'm going for. So 6 weeks until my locks tell me otherwise. That's my update. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave that down in the comments box below. And until next time, be you, be beautiful, be blessed. Bye.